One of the things that we altered in our process, or actually I would say improved in our process, is actually connecting the documents and training module. There is so much more control over that, where we have the ability to see or have a document, and as for instance a standard operating procedure or work instruction, travel through the collaboration stage to the approval stage. And one of the things that we've set up in our flow is that once a document is approved, then it stays at that stage prior to effectivity, and then it goes through a round of training. So that document does not become a release document until we have everybody train it. So that's one of the areas that we've put into place to ensure that we have every employee that's responsible for that procedure to be trained, whether it's group training, individual-led training, or if it's self-reading. That system we did put in place intentionally to ensure that we maintain that focus of training being number one prior to releasing that document.
All of our training is handled through the training module. So for each work instruction that we have operators, technicians performing the task for, they go through a one-on-one training in which they record serial numbers of the parts that they've made. Those parts are examined and the results of the quality inspection is recorded on the form. The supervisor signs off that that person is competent in doing the job, and then a permanent record is kept on hand. Follow-up training certification is done by another form. Every month they fill in serial numbers of parts that they make for each one of those work instructions, and an ongoing record is kept that within a 6-month time period they've performed that task before. So ongoing certification of their ability to perform the job, and before that was handled on a sporadic basis just by their supervisors remembering what tasks they'd done.